let's face it, being your own boss and serving your community on your own terms is rewarding. But it's not all sunshines and rainbows. Building a thriving agency takes a lot of hard work, planning, and dedication. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll share with you the 10 essential steps for becoming an independent insurance agent, and we'll provide you with the guidance and tools you need to set yourself up for success. So let's get started. Step number 1 is always start with a business plan. A business plan is essential for your success as an independent agent. It should outline your mission, your target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and more. A majority of our insurance companies want you to provide a business plan before they would even consider offering you an appointment. Your success is determined by the relationships you have with your customers and the insurance companies that you represent as an agent. Step 2, choose a business structure and agency name. Keep personal liability in mind. So, your agency's legal structure will determine your liability, your tax obligations, and your regulatory requirements. You need to determine which business structure is best for your agency, such as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an LLC, a corporation, or an S corporation. Consult with an attorney or an accountant to determine which structure is best for you and your agency. Step 3, choose your agency's name. When choosing an agency name, pick a name that is unique, memorable, and that reflects you and your agency's brand and values. In some states, this can take the DOI 4 to 8 weeks, so plan ahead. Personal names with DBA, doing business as, or agency entity names. This route can be longer, but must also be approved and issued by the Department of Insurance, and can be the best option. So make sure that your business name is approved first with your Secretary of State department and the local city or your county municipality. Follow your paperwork, include federal and state tax IDs, and get your entity established. Once your state has approved the entity, you can now apply for an agency license with your state's DOI. Step 4 is protecting your agency. Getting errors and omissions insurance and cyber liability insurance. As an independent insurance agency owner, you are required by all insurance companies to have an insurance agent errors and omissions insurance policy covering your exposures as a professional insurance agent for you, your agency entity, and your employees. This is required to operate as an independent insurance agent. You'll need to obtain the necessary licenses and certifications, and those requirements vary by state. You will also need to pass a background check and complete continuing education courses to stay a licensed insurance agent. Step 5, get 2 separate business banking accounts. Open an operating business account and a business sweep account. The purpose of having 2 accounts is to keep your money separate from the insured's money. You never want to be accused of commingling funds, so keeping those separate is your best bet. Step 6, choose an agency location. Choose a location that is convenient for your clients. It's important to set up your office correctly and obtain a Lexis Nexis node ID for pulling reports. Your office needs a secure door that can be locked when you're not there and cannot be shared with anyone else. Working from home is acceptable, but most carriers will not appoint agents to work from home. The pandemic opened up insurance companies appointing working from home agents, but the downside is that this may change back in the near future. Please note, it's important to understand that Lexis Nexis only accepts single-family dwellings. Apartments, condos, or townhomes cannot be used as your business location. Step 7, essential technology for your agency's office. Invest in essential technology, such as good computers, printers, and software to help efficiently manage your agency. You need to have a phone. Your main office telephone should be a landline for a professional look and feel. So far, a VoIP internet phone has been acceptable by Lexis Nexis. You'll also want to have a cell phone as the primary line when it comes to Nexis Lexis. You will be asked to produce 2 separate forms of documentation, like a utility bill, a lease agreement, cell phone bill, something like that. Believe it or not, Lexis Nexis still requires that you have a landline fax number. So far, e-fax services have been acceptable. Cyber liability insurance will help if a covered claim should arise, but it is the sole responsibility of the agent and or agency to make sure all proper security measures are taken. Step 8, make sure you are
Lexis Nexis
compliant.
Know what Lexis Nexis is and why you must have a node ID. Purpose of Nexis Lexis is to give the insurance company an overview of the individual's driving behaviors and claim behaviors.
Items such as driving records, MVRs, clues, and credit insurance score reports. To secure your new agency's temporary Lexis Nexis Node ID, requires that you must complete the application with complete, accurate, and valid application before they will accept you. Step 9, establish a brand identity. Your brand identity is how your agency will be perceived by clients and the public. It includes your agency name, your logo, your website, and marketing materials. Your brand identity should be consistent across all channels and convey your agency's values and unique selling proposition. Also, we recommend you choose an address that is easy to remember. So we don't want to make it super long. And have an email address that matches that URL to help build that cohesive brand. And here we are, step 10, get access to more markets and unique products as a newly licensed insurance agent. It can be challenging to get appointed by larger insurance companies without any experience. However, joining a group such as ICA Agency Alliance can provide immediate access to multiple top insurance companies and lower written premium requirements. Our team of experienced professionals are dedicated to providing you with the tools and resources you need to better understand and meet your clients' needs. From personalized marketing strategies to ongoing training and education, we're here to help. All of that is free for you as a member agent. If you're considering starting your own insurance agency, or you already own an established insurance agency, don't hesitate to reach out to Blaine Tim to learn more about how partnering with ICA Agency Alliance can benefit you. ICA provides complete support, including insurance education, sales training, back office support, carrier access, and much more. Let's work together to create a brighter future for your business and your clients. Contact us today if you'd like to schedule a discovery call to learn more about how ICA Agency Alliance can help your insurance agency grow. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found our video interesting, please give us a virtual high five by giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll have access to more content aimed at advancing insurance professionals just like you. We look forward to seeing you again next week.